The Dubai frame is without a doubt the biggest picture frame in the world at 155 meters high and 93 meters wide. Visitors are transported to the top via glass elevators, where they can stand on the self-supporting 75-meter bridge that connects the two towers and take in the stunning panoramic views. We will cover all the details of constructing the Dubai frame, the largest picture frame in the world, in this video. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Let's get started. What is Dubai frame? A huge building called Dubai frame is made to resemble a picture frame. It was carefully constructed in an area without any high-rise structures, making it stand out and be seen from a great distance. The site is important because it appears to divide the old from the modern Dubai. The height of the Dubai frame is roughly 150 meters, Burj Khalifa is 830 meters in total, and the 148th floor observation deck is 555 meters. The Dubai frame can therefore only reach heights that are around one-third as high as those of Burj Khalifa, also one-third cheaper. In order to represent the new face of Dubai, the Dubai frame was just built. The world's biggest picture frame structure is this one. History of Dubai frame. The Dubai frame was originally conceived as a way to frame the city's current monuments rather than erect a new monument. It was unveiled in 2018. Fernando Donis winning entry for the frame in the 2009 ThyssenKrupp Elevator International Award, which challenged contestants to build a new face for Dubai, won the competition. A walk-in cross frame on the first floor and a bridge tower at the top of the structure connect its two towers. This gives the appearance of a picture frame with views of both ancient and new Dubai to the north and south, respectively. This adheres to the guiding principle of the Dubai frame, which aims to prompt people to consider the past when considering the present and the future. About the building of Dubai frame. ThyssenKrupp, a German manufacturer, manufactured the elevators specifically for the building. The design incorporates a porous outer layer since it was necessary to reduce the influence of the wind. Strong winds are absorbed by porous cladding, which allows them to flow through without causing the building to become unstable. 3,600 plus specialists contributed to the creation of the Dubai frame. The golden ratio served as inspiration for the frame's length and width. The viewing deck was built elsewhere and then transported to its location using two enormous hydraulic jacks. Lifting the top floor observation deck required 2 full days. Stories up to 10 m high. Accessing all working places was made more challenging by the up to 10 m high stories and the very small shaft dimensions with low wall clearances. A combination of elevated and suspended platforms was the only way to make it simpler to access the top areas. Additionally, the integrated access technology offered a high level of safety and precious working space. 5 platforms, with suspended panel formwork among other things, were employed for the frame structure's 2 identical towers. Therefore, the 100 kN lifting force generated by each hydraulic cylinder was fully utilized for the climbing procedure using integrated climbing hydraulics. 52 floors high Dubai frame. The self-climbing formwork allowed concrete to be placed on 46 of the total 52 stories quite fast. However, the cores needed to be strengthened in the location where they connected to the about 2,100 T steel cross frame, and the formwork solution had to be adjusted as a result. Intermediary slabs up to 1.40 m thick and 3.50 m cantilevered were built. Horizontally, SB brace frames from Perry was utilized to transfer the extremely high loads safely. The VARIOKIT engineering construction kit, girder formwork, and Perry up modular scaffolding were the key system components used by Perry engineers to form the inclined reinforced concrete columns in the slab of the connecting crosspiece on the ground. To carry out this building task, Perry assembled a project team made up of experts in climbing and formwork. They provided intricate shell architecture with exactly matched execution solutions from the beginning to the end. In addition to saving 30 days of production time, the angular core geometry may be accomplished within very tight dimensional tolerances. Controversies. It has already gained popularity as a selfie backdrop, giving many love photographs in Zabeel Park by couples a dazzling #NO filter border. However, the structure has generated controversy for other reasons. The 50-story entrance may be the tallest frame in the world, but according to its creator, it is also the largest building to have ever been stolen. Fernando Donis, a Mexican architect whose frame proposal won an international competition in 2008 for a tall symbol structure to promote the new face of Dubai, claims that they grabbed my project, modified the design, and erected it without me. The architect claims that soon after receiving his $100,000 prize and being flown to Dubai to be feted at a dinner with the Crown Prince, the Dubai municipality offered him a contract that restricted his engagement to an advisory function. What to do? See inside the Dubai frame. Dubai frame doesn't have a lot of floors, in contrast to other high-rise structures. The elevator is the sole thing in the two vertical columns. There is a ground floor, a first floor, and an observation deck on the top story. The past, present, and future of Dubai are displayed in the Dubai frame. You will learn about Dubai's past, present, and anticipated future as you navigate the many sections of Dubai frame. The past. After purchasing a ticket and entering the building, you will find an exhibition on the first floor that explores Dubai's historical past, including its former trading posts, arid deserts, and way of life in the past. Here, photographing is not permitted. The present. After viewing the past, an elevator will transport you to the top. The top floor is located approximately 150 meters above the earth. On one side, we can view the historic Al Karama neighborhood in Dubai, and on the other, we can see the contemporary skyscrapers along Sheikh Zayed Road, such as the Burj Khalifa, Emirates Tower, and so on. These structures are a little too far away for a good look. Only here is photography permitted. We can see the earth below through the translucent glass bottom floor of Dubai frame's top story. Stepping on the glass bottom turns it on or off. The glass changes from clear to opaque when a voltage is applied. The future. As you descend from the top, a picture of what Dubai will look like in the future will be on display. The video depicts improvements in technology such as the Hyperloop, individuals using personal helipads and other such items for travel, and the healing of wounds and broken bones with a touch. Again, photography is prohibited in this area. To provide the impression that we are flying around in a helicar, the floor on which we stand and observe tilts a little. Visitor advice for Dubai frame. When in the elevator, stand as far back, and away from the door, as you can to get a wonderful view as the elevator moves up and down. You can combine a trip to Glow Garden with a trip to Dubai frame. Between these two, a pedestrian bridge is present. Visit Dubai frame in the late afternoon or at sunset, then proceed to Glow Garden, separate post coming up. Although Google Maps didn't display the walking path, it is possible to walk to Dubai frame from a nearby metro station, such as ADCB or Al Jafilia. A slight detour requires a taxi, therefore the fare might be around 20 AED. The Dubai frame is a substantial building that may be seen from a distance. If you're coming from the ADCB metro, keep walking in that direction because there is a fob to cross the highway. Tourist information. Dubai frame hours are from 9 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. Entry into the Dubai frame costs 50 AED, $14 per INR 900 approximately, per person. The time needed, 1 to 2 hours approximately. ADCB or Al Jafilia on the Red Line, the closest metro, around 1.2 by walk, 12 AED by taxi. Nearly equally far are Dubai frame from both of these metro stations. That's it, guys. To conclude the video, Dubai adds another world record to the list. It is home to the tallest tower, the biggest mall, and the longest driverless metro system in the world. Now that it has the largest picture frame on the planet, it can see all of its world record-breaking awards. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Leave a like, share with your friends and families, and pin down your thoughts in the comment section below.